Hey, no bullshit. We had a shitty fucking time today. We literally walked up on this. Look at this fucking fire. Jared, look at that fucking pile.
Look at the beach.
Look at that
pile.
We got pot.
Beach.
We got pot.
Pot, yeah.
And we got Sailor Jerry. We got Sailor Jelly.
Let me hit it.
All right, here you go, man. Here you go. All right, take a pic. Take a pic. Here you go. All right, here, I'll film you. Go ahead. Do it Cali style. Oh, it's filming me. Shit. Is it filming you now? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Is it filming you now?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Jared. You know what? I think God made this for us because we had a really bad day today, but tell me that didn't make your fucking day, dude.